So today we're going to be talking about Gmail tips and tricks. If you're new, I'm doing a productivity series here, and I also have a different playlist with Ali Abdal's videos with part of I'm taking some of this, so we can do this as a productivity type thing, and then I'll show you in another video for my productivity. I'll show you what I do for file management. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Oh, okay, so we're recording now. Hello, everybody. As you just got my intro, what are we doing today? So today we're actually doing what I like to do, and we're basically doing some Windows stuff. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm going to show you how to be more productive in your Gmail. So we'll go to see all settings, and what you want to do down here is I'll leave a template from another productivity geek, and I'll show you where that down is in the description below. I'll leave that down there. So you might want to use this. I have a different one. I'll be right back after I log in. So actually where it is in here is you go to see all settings. I've been doing this for a while. And then I'm looking here. I'm going to scroll down. So sometimes I have it. Sometimes I have a picture on my emails I do. So what you can see down here is what I have my email. And when I click my email and it shows up. And when people click that, what they automatically get is a email of mine. And then when I click thank you, I changed it a little bit. I used it from Jeff Sue. He's a productivity geek. I'm going to show you how to do the file management in another video. But today we're focusing on Gmail tricks. So the next tip I have is to go into the Chrome Web Store. Basically go in here. The extension's called something in the productivity section. I forget exactly what it is. Something with a B. Hold on 1 second. Actually, another one I use is to-do list. So what you're going to do is you're going to add to Chrome, and then once you add the extension, you're going to log in. Okay, so click here. Scroll down. I also have Forest installed. It's a very helpful tool. Alright, so click in, and then I'm going to click continue with Google. Yeah. I think that's the one. It might not be. I'll get back to you, but what you need to do is log in here. Or if you don't have an account, sign up. That's another good one. There's one else. Hold on. Sorry, I gotta close all these tabs. In another video, I'm going to talk about the internet hub of the world, and I'm going to go look up what I need for the extension, and I'll show you what it is. Alright, so the actual extension is Riskline, and what you're going to click is enter in the Chrome Web Store. If you need to pause it, do that. I'll send it up so it's Riskline, email templates for Gmail. Click add to Chrome. Click, and then move my face. Click add to Chrome. Click add extension. What that should do is press H and tab when it tells you to. Tab, H and tab, H and tab. And tab. Alright, so so when I go into an email, I'm going to go say, I'm going to come back to that. And then what I'm going to say, let's say I want to send an email to, I don't know, Google.com. I actually can't do that. Anywho, what you want to do? Do that either. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually a personal email. And then what you want to do is say, hi. Hello. Hello, CM. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the settings of Briskline. So if you don't have to create a free account, if you do, yeah, okay, I don't know. I might have created one in the past. I just don't remember. So I'm going to create a free one. I'm going to click full name. Alright. I'll be right back. Hold on. I'm just going to blur this out. I will blur this out. Okay. Shoot. Alright, I'll be right back. Create free account, and then I'm going to go to my email. And so, yeah, I just got an email. Hold on. Oh. It's funny. Just saw a recent video. Yes, today is a great day. Alright, click confirm email. And what you're going to do is click sign in. And then that's... So it works with Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Yeah, so I can just click here. So, yeah, that doesn't work on Google Chrome. It works the other way around, though. So, and then you're going to type this in. Alright, I'm going to save this. Let me move myself again. And then what you're going to do is click Save Templates. As you will. Click Save Template. Scroll back up. If you did something wrong, save template. Shortcut doesn't contain any spaces. Save template. Alright, I'll be back when I get this to work. Really fix that. It's a weird thing that you have to do is at the end you have to delete the space, but all you have to do. So let's go back to my email that I'm writing. Hello. Hopefully it's active. So I'm going to go back up and make sure the Briskline extension is active. So what you're going to click here is sign in, and then alright, and then I'm going to click up on Briskline. I'm having trouble with this right now, so I'm going to scrap this. So that's a great tool for you, and then close this all out. Another one that I like to use is Forest. So when I do this, it might lock me out. If it does, so what it does is that if you open any new tabs, and let's say I want to go to YouTube, and somehow it lets me do that. But what it usually doesn't do is it doesn't allow you to do that if you click. So it's a nice extension to get things done, and it's a great way to do it. My third productivity tip is have an organized file management system, which I will cover in a new video, another video that I'll be doing, and I will be covering how to do that. And what we should do is just make sure you can get into your Google Drive and you can get into Gmail. For any other tips for the Gmail, I would say create a label. So let's see. Anything that has alright, let's say Grammarly. Grammarly. I don't want to receive emails from mom. Alright. Oh no. Alright. How's the words? That's the word Grammarly. Alright, if that's the words Grammarly, what I'm going to tell you to do. So what you want to do after this is you want to send whatever it is. You want to copy their email address if it's spam. And what you're going to do is you're going to go up here. And then what you're going to do is okay, whatever. So then what you're going to do is create filter. Skip the inbox. And delete it. Create filter. And then what you're going to see is every time they send you an email. Alright, I'm going to tie one. I'm going to go to a different thing. Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to click to alright. And now I'm going to close this one. You're going to see, I'm going to reload my inbox. Let's see. Does it come in? Wait. Okay, so it failed. But the point is, so yes, it didn't mark it. So this might not always work. So then just go and delete it. It should work though. If it doesn't, let me know down in the comments. And that's all the ones I have for today. So thank you for tagging along for this new productivity series. Tell me if you like it. Tell me. Like it if you like it. Dislike it if you dislike it. Alright, that's it for this one, everybody. And I'll see you.